Nigerian Air Force aircraft crashes. A Nigerian Air Force crashed on Thursday in Kaduna State while on a mission. The only person on board the aircraft, one of the Nigerian Air Force experienced instructor pilots, died during the incident. This was disclosed in a statement by the Director of Public Relations and Information of the Air Force, Air Commodore Olatokunbo Adesanya. According to the statement, although the cause of the incident is unknown, the Chief of Air Staff has directed the constitution of a board of inquiry to determine the causes of the crash. The unfortunate incident is a tragic reminder of the hazards associated with the flying profession. According to the statement, the Chief of Air Staff and the entire Nigerian Air Force family commiserate with the relatives of the late instructor pilot. Thank you for watching our videos. Please like and share this video with others. Subscribe to our channel for more useful videos.